This is kind of a part 2 video, guys, even though I don't know if we'll mark it that way. But this is all started hatching Sunday night, right after we left. And the first clutch was platinum, sunfire, dwarf, head anneries. Beautiful snakes. We'll pull one out at the end of this video to show it to you. It is stunning. Now, this clutch here is one we're long anticipated too. This is albino golden childs and albinos 100% Het-Genetic stripes. Everything Het-Genetic stripe in here. So it's a beautiful clutch. So we're hoping for a purple Het-Genetic stripe golden child is what we're hoping for. Just to be honest, it's Super Sunday. We're hoping for something even better. But you know what? I'm okay with anything we get. And that's the key of doing this in the first place. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the eggs. And of course the idea of cutting the eggs is simple. We don't want anybody dying. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful snake. Nice purple, 100% Het-Genetic stripe. First ones of those we've ever made. Let's see here. This might be what we're looking for. It is. It is. Now these should be beautiful because typically when they hatch, they're a very good looking snake anyway. Look at that. Beautiful golden child. Now that's a lav. We're fantasizing for a purple here. And that's 100% Het-Genetic stripe. Oh. Don't talk too long. There's our purple. There's our purple golden child. 100% Het-Genetic. Wow, did that clean it up or what, Tim?
Wow.
Man. Looks like an albino sunfire golden.
It does.
Because the platinum, the Het-Genetic stripe has a way of lightening up snakes. So that's a beautiful snake. That's actually going to be one of our breeders. Oh, there's another golden child, 100% Het-Genetic stripe. These are the first ever. Now that's a lav, and boy, like I say, it's blinging. The color is amazing. Much better than a normal golden child, which is saying something because the normal golden child's beautiful. There's a lav. A purple het. Okay. Now, if you guys want to see what we get all the time, you ought to be subscribing. Okay, we got 3 so far. Let's just open this one up. This is the one that started earliest, apparently. I knew it wasn't a golden child because I could see his head hanging out. Okay, here we go. Whoa, that guy is, now if you have a lot of humidity, the eggs get kind of big. Okay, and that's a normal albino, 100% Het-Genetic stripe. And there's a normal albino, 100% Het-Genetic stripe. So every one of those is a missing albino genetic stripe because we could have bred it to an albino genetic stripe, but because that's why some people don't understand why some of these things cost more, but it's because we have to sacrifice real important clutches in order to move forward into the genetics game. So this female here was one of the only lavender genetic stripes in the world. I think honestly, I know it's one of 2 because we have 2, and I don't believe there's any other lavender genetic stripe adults in the world. There's another beautiful, beautiful lav. Lav golden child. Oh, there's another lav. So there's another beautiful lavender golden child. Man, I'm telling you, the color in these things are incredible. Huh. We had some golden childs the other day I thought were nice, and they were platinum albinos. But these ones, I think these are better looking than the platinums, but they would be similar.
There's a purple.
Yep, there's a purple golden child. So don't forget, guys, I'm going to show you those other snakes in just a minute. I got to be a little careful. Oh, another purple golden child.
There we go.
There we go. Hopefully one's a male. No offense, guys. We're first on our list. This whole clutch was for us to get a breeder, and hopefully maybe you guys can get one too. If you're in the genetic stripe project. Oh, there's another one. That's good. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 golden child albinos in the world, going for number 9. That's wonderful. So that's as good as we could have hoped for. There you go. There's still one more egg to cut. That's great. We did very well. I like Sunday clutches. It's a good thing. Let's see here. Oh, 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 oh. Oh! How about a brand new 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 golden child. That is absolutely fantastic. That's why we take the risk to blow off a genetic stripe clutch of albino sons. We actually had an albino sunfire genetic stripe that was a little young. We could have, but we really wanted to try to get some genes crossing this year. This year we're gonna see some crazy stuff. So make sure you subscribe. Nice seeing you guys. Oh, I promised you something, didn't I? It's a good thing the cameraman has a little bit of thinking there. I'm gonna sit on the ground. Okay. What do you guys think about this? I don't wanna, let me see here. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? That's a Sunfire, Platinum, Slayer, Super Dwarf, Jampia, Head Annery. Take care, guys.